Oh my God. Had one. That was a nice bite. Yikes. Yikes. Come on, that's the bite we needed though. It's a good sign that there is fish in the water. There's fish in the water. Yeah. Oh. Oh my God, it wasn't a big one. We good. Wasn't a big one. Wasn't a big one. That ain't the one we needed. It's okay. That just taught me a lesson. Taught me a good lesson. Figure something was in this little cove right here. All this bait getting probably pushed all into here. The fish are just sitting there just waiting. They probably all in here been feeding like crazy. You don't see though. Good cast. Like that joker hit the bottom and start retrieving it. Start retrieving it. Nice, slow, steady retrieve. I got my rod tip down because I know it's probably windy and my bait finna come up just because of wind. I'm trying to keep it down as much as possible. Keep it in the strike zone. It's how I fish my speed worms. Other people fish them different. I be killing them, just reeling that joker straight in. So I done caught some big ones. Let's see. Kobe. See, get us a big old 7-8 pound out of this joker. Right before Hurricane Nicole come through. I don't know. You find another YouTuber that'll go out in a hurricane to try to get y'all content. Just name them. Let me know. Drop the comments. Cause I don't think nobody crazy enough, because I'm crazy about fishing. You see what I'm doing. See where I'm at. See this man going like crazy. Oh yeah, that's what we needed. Oh my God. What is this, a cat? Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. Oh shit. Oh, I got a catfish. Oh, that's cool. Ah, that's cool, guys. A big old cat just hit this. I gotta get him up, man. Gators and all that down there. Oh snap. Just caught me a cat. Gravely, a big old cat just hit that speed worm. Big old cat, boy. Yes, you wouldn't expect that to hit no bass lure. Look at this joker. Joker nice, good. Nice catfish. He lucky I ain't got no bucket to put him in. Woo-hoo, you almost got me, buddy. Lucky I ain't got no bucket to put him in. See, dang sure come home. He would dang sure come home. Nice catfish. Ooh, whiskey. Let him go though. Let's get him out of here. Catfish biting. Got a catfish on a lure. Come on, man. Hey, Hurricane Nicole, you bringing catfish in, huh? I can't believe that. Come on, Nicole, you gotta do better than that, baby. Some real Florida man stuff. It's true what they say. We do play in hurricanes like it's normal, you know. Florida man goes fishing, catches catfish with a bass lure during a hurricane. Oh snap. Oh my God. I can't make this up today. If this is another catfish, I quit. It's fighting like another cat. It's not jumping. What in the world is going on? I don't think it know it's even hooked yet. Don't even know it's hooked. Another cat. I'll be darned. I'll be darned. This hurricane is bringing in the catfish. That's crazy. Second catfish. Second cast out right after the first catfish. Can't make it up. This one ain't as big, but it's still a fun day of fishing. Most people are home right now. Not me. I'm out here getting it in. Beautiful fish though. Look at the colors in this catfish. Look at that blue, that brown, that gray. That's so cool. Alright, go free, bud. I'm out here getting it in during the hurricane. Name somebody who out here fishing. Name them. Yo, this wind getting to where I can't even cast out. It's crazy. Woo, child. Catfish are biting, boy. I think I'm in the catfish hole. That's what it is. I'm just in the catfish side of the lake. That's just gotta be what it is. Can't make this up. I'm targeting bass. I swear I am. Like, I swear to you, I'm trying to catch a bass. I'm not trying to catch these catfish. Oh my goodness. No. Stop it. Not another one. Oh, this one's gone. Oh my God. Look at this one. This one don't want to come in. Oh God. Oh. What is this? This is a gator? What? Oh, no, it's a cat. Bigger one though. I can't even pull him in. I gotta let this joker fight itself out. Look at this right here. I can't stop him. He going all he want to. Oh my God. I got Big Mama Juju on the end of this joker. Big Mama catfish. Yo, this joker ain't tired yet. Dog, this joker ain't tired yet. Okay, I gotta get down, chase him. I gotta keep following this joker. Where he at? Yo, this crazy catfish right here. This might be a big one. It might be the biggest cat I ever done caught. Dog, this gotta be the biggest cat I done caught. Or it's just light tackle I'm using, cause this don't make no sense. How big is it? I ain't seen him yet. There you go. Ain't even that big. Ain't even that big. But that joker strong, boy. Hot dog, that joker strong. Gotta get him before a gator get me. Can I get him up with this light line? I gotta grab him by the mouth. Big old ugly mouth. This the third catfish. Third catfish. I gotta take a picture of this joker. Oh wait. Nice catfish, man. Yeah. Look at this joker. This joker bigger than my rod. Bigger than my rod reel. This joker long, boy. I'll take it. I will take it. A day of fishing is better than a day in the office. Ugh. Come on, get out. Get off my hook, man. There you go. Let's release this bad girl. Big cat mama. There she goes. Majestic. Alright everybody, that's the video. It's your boy Mr.AlwaysFishing. I don't know how good this audio gonna be because the wind is not playing. It's blowing and it's starting to rain. Hurricane Nicole making landfall in Florida as I speak. Show your boy some love. I came out here in the middle of a hurricane trying to get content for y'all. So if that ain't love, I don't know what it is. I came out here to catch bass and I end up catching nothing but catfish, man. I hooked one bass, but he wasn't a big one at all. He probably like not even a pound. Long story short is I had fun out here today. I'm not encouraging y'all to go fishing in the middle of a storm. That is not okay. Stay inside and shelter down. You should not go outside during a hurricane. Do not try this at home, kids, because I don't know who's gonna watch this video, but if you are a kid and you want to try something like this, don't do it. Leave it to the professionals. But anyways, it's your boy Mr. Always Fishing. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I'm gonna be out and catch y'all next time. Peace.